Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I came up with another video which is how to convert the text format to date format. So here I have a different types of a text. The date format I am going to showcase you. So here I am having a with a dot 1.1.2022. Here I am having a one space 2022. Other one is with hyphen, other one is with back colon, and it is a combination of all text, and this is hyphen kind of thing. So now we will use a couple of formulas to convert this, which is a very easiest method. First, what I will do is I'll select the entire data and I want to change my format of date. So for this reason, what I'm going to format cells, post it and selecting a date. So I'll use this format to display my text. So when I changed it, it was not changing anything. What I will do now is I'm selecting this data, this column data, and going to data tab. Here you will find a text to column option. Just pick this. So the dialog box got opened over here. Here you have a fixed width and delimited. Select with a delimited, press next. So here there is a different type of delimiters. If you want to use, you can use these options, but I'm not using this portion in to convert date. Just press next. So here you will find the column data format. So select the date format, and what I'm using is date, month and year format. So if you guys want to use any other format, you can select according to your requirement and press finish. When I adjust the column, the date got updated for this column. Similar step I'm doing for a next column data also. Again I have went to a text to column option. It is delimited. Next and next. Here I'm selecting date, month and year. Just finish it. I can do this step by using by selecting all the columns also, but it is not allowing me to do. That's the reason I'm selecting in single. Here if you see, the year format is starting and the month is next and date is a last one. Now what I will do is I'll go to date and I'll select year, month and date format. Just finish it. This is the last column where I'm changing my data. This is a very simple method to convert your dates. Now you can see all the formats date was updated. So this is all about today's video, friends. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Click on a bell icon for more videos.